Hey, curious crew, have you ever had a hiccup sneak up on you when you were sipping juice or laughing too hard? Hic, whoops, there it goes again. But did you know those strange little spasms might have something to do with fish? Yep, that's right. Slippery swimming fish. Buckle up your science goggles and get ready to dive deep, literally, into the weird and wonderful reason behind hiccups. Let's start with the basics. A hiccup is a sudden, involuntary contraction of your diaphragm. That's the big muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe. When it spasms, it makes you suck in air quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut. Hic. That sound is basically your body doing a surprise sneeze from the inside out. It's like your diaphragm is trying to be a rock star, and your vocal cords are like, nope, show's over. Your diaphragm is shaped like a dome and sits below your lungs. When it moves down, it helps pull air into your lungs. When it moves up, it pushes air out. It's like a giant jellyfish doing yoga right in the middle of your chest. So why does it suddenly spasm? That's where things get fishy. Now here's where things get really strange. Scientists think hiccups might be leftovers from when our ancestors were fish. Yep, way back before dinosaurs even had Wi-Fi, some fish had to gulp water through their gills without swallowing the whole ocean. And guess what? The way their brains controlled that gulping, almost identical to how we hiccup today. So every time you hiccup, you're basically replaying a fish's greatest hits, like your body's stuck on an ancient playlist. Fast forward to today, we still have some of those ancient nerve patterns left inside us. It's like our bodies are holding on to fishy habits from way, way back. You heard that right. Every hiccup you have is like your body whispering, remember when we had gills? Scientists think hiccups might be leftovers from our evolutionary past. Our brains have an old shortcut for controlling breathing that doesn't quite work in modern humans. So when things go a little haywire, say when you eat too fast or swallow air, boom, that ancient reflex kicks in. There's a special nerve called the phrenic nerve that carries signals from your brain to your diaphragm. But it's kind of a weird road trip. It travels all the way from your neck to your belly. That's like driving from your attic to your basement just to turn on the lights. Because of that long route, the phrenic nerve can get irritated easily. And when it does, your diaphragm freaks out. So what sets off a hiccup? So many things. Swallowing air, eating too fast, fizzy drinks, stress, laughing too hard, even excitement. It's like your diaphragm is just waiting for an excuse to throw a tiny tantrum. It's the world's smallest protest. No more soda, hic no more tickles, hic. People everywhere get hiccups. In Japan, hiccups are sometimes seen as a sign that someone is talking about you. In other cultures, people believe hiccups mean you're growing. In cartoons, hiccups are the go-to signal that a character is drunk. So many hiccup myths, but one thing's for sure, they're universal. Here are some strange hiccups cures, and do they work? Hold your breath, drink water upside down, get scared by a goat in a clown suit. Okay, maybe not that last one, but there are tons of so-called hiccup cures. Some work, some don't. Holding your breath or drinking water can calm your diaphragm, but scaring someone? That just gives everyone the giggles. Well, sometimes. See, most cures are just distractions, tricks to reset your breathing. But the weirdest cure ever. In 1922, a guy named Charles Osborne hiccuped for 68 years straight. That's over 400 million hiccups. Doctors tried everything, even tickling him with a feather. Nothing worked. Imagine trying to say your wedding vows like "Chic, I do." He became a hiccup legend. Ever notice that babies hiccup a lot? That's because their nervous systems are still figuring out how to work. Their diaphragms are like beginner drivers, always stalling or jerking. Hiccups are just part of growing up. Plus, babies don't mind. They'll hiccup and just keep on snoozing. Most hiccups go away on their own. Once your diaphragm calms down and stops spasming, your vocal cords stop slamming shut, and peace is restored. The secret cure? Time. Just wait it out, and your inner fish will swim back into its cave. Humans aren't the only ones who hiccup. Dogs, cats, and even squirrels can get the hiccups. Scientists have even seen hiccup-like reflexes in frogs and rats. It's like a secret animal club, the International League of Accidental Hiccups. Most hiccups are totally harmless, but if they last more than 48 hours, it might be time to check with a doctor. That's called a hiccup marathon, and no one wants to run that race. But again, super rare, so no need to panic when your diaphragm throws a quick dance party. So what have we learned? Hiccups are tiny burps from your diaphragm. They might come from ancient fishy reflexes. They can be caused by air, food, or giggles. And while they might be annoying, they're nothing to fear. They're like mini time machines reminding us that, deep down, we're all a little fishy. Thanks for riding the hiccup wave with us, science surfers. The next time someone says, "Why am I hiccuping?" you can proudly say, "Because you're part fish." If you love this weird and wiggly story, check out our other awesome adventures like "Why Do Goosebumps Happen?" and "Why Can't You Sneeze with Your Eyes Open?" Subscribe to Super Spark Science, where learning is always a hiccup away from hilarious.